we are going to see how to create files and write something on that file. Okay, so we are going to create a file and also we are going to write something on that file, and then we are going to close it. So first, to create the file, I'm going to create this program, import.java.io.asterisk and a semicolon. After that, import. Okay, there's no dot after import. Import java.io asterisk and a semicolon, and then import java.lang asterisk semicolon, and after that import java.util asterisk semicolon, and a public. I'm going to create the public class, public, and the class name I created is coffee, so I put coffee, public class coffee. Coffee, and inside of that I'm going to put private formatter x, and here I'm going to put public void open file, and inside of this I put try, and x is equal to new formatter, and here I'm going to put, let's say, American.txt. This is a file name. Now to make sure to show you I don't have that file, I'm going to search that file before, because then only you know very well I don't have that. So I search American here, and if you see .txt file, we have American captain.txt, business report, those kind of file, but we don't have American or small AMERICAN. We don't have the text. So after we create this one, it should show up. Okay, that's why we have that one here. Now let's go ahead and continue. Then I put a system out statement, system dot out dot println, you created a file. You created a file, and after that this is try and then catch, exception e, and then inside of that I put a system out statement, system dot out dot print line, you have an error. Okay, then after that I want to write something on the file, so I put another function for that, public void add records, and here I'm going to write something on the file. So to write that, x.format, format, 3 strings are going to be here, so I put percentages 3 times, and then here I'm going to write 20 20 Taliban, and then Nagarasa, and then public void close file and x.close and so that's it for this one. Here what we did is we created a file and we want to write that one on or write something on that file. What we are going to write is 23 by Nagarasa. So that's what we want to write, and then we are going to close that file. Now in the another function we had to write something here. Class, since the class name is cup, I'm going to put cup right here, and inside of this class I'm going to put public static void main string and square bracket or args, and inside of this main function we are going to write our function that is coffee, and g is equal to new coffee and a semicolon, and then we are going to put g dot open file g dot add records and g dot close file and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now it says you created a file. Now to find out whether we have that file existing, I'm going to search again. I bring this search here, search American, that's the file name we created. And here you can see American.txt, it's created. Now let's go and run this one. It's showing 20 Taliban Nagarasa, that's what we wrote. So here you can see first we created a file name American.txt, and after we created, it's going to show you created a file. If there's an error, it's going to say you have an error, and after that we wrote something on that file, that is 20 Taliban Nagarasa, and then we close that file. And that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.